I know that we have a sunny day today, which is the good news, but we might have the potential for some storms later on this week, right?
Exactly, Amelia. And we have the potential of even more rainfall. We've already seen a ton of rainfall as of yesterday. In fact, you can see behind me all of our locations that saw anywhere from around 1/4 of an inch to over 2 inches of rainfall within a 24-hour time window. That is actually the most rain we've seen on a Memorial Day on record across DFW, which was 2.15 inches. We still have a bit to go until we've reached that normal amount that we typically see for this time of the year at this month. Now, I do want to go ahead and tell you about what we're seeing right now on the visible satellite imagery. You can see that stalled frontal system down into South Texas, but a decent amount of cloud cover that was moving in earlier this afternoon is starting to push out of the region. However, I am tracking a decent amount of moisture still coming from the Gulf. We have a low level jet that's just pumping in a lot of that moisture here across North Texas. You can see the green here, that's the dew point temperature, but as you look over into far west Texas and into New Mexico, what this is that drier air behind this dry line. This is actually starting to pop up some thunderstorms into West Texas. Why I want to show you that? Well, it could play into our forecast here as we work our way into tomorrow morning. Some of those storms into West Texas could be moving over into our vicinity and bringing us a decent amount of rainfall for some locations. It's showing us some pop-up showers and thunderstorms within the afternoon tomorrow will be possible. That doesn't mean everybody's going to see that chance for rainfall, but it is there. I'm giving us about a 30% chance for some precipitation as we do head into Wednesday. Thursday, we have another frontal system that'll be swinging across the region and, well, bringing us their next chance for some rainfall. That's the case into Friday morning. If that front goes a little bit slower, we could see some rain as well. Clearing things up Friday afternoon, and it's going to be a nice warm weekend for you. I do want to show you the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a level 1 out of 5 threat for the chance of isolated strong to severe thunderstorms across North Texas, anywhere highlighted in green. We could be looking at some gustier winds upwards of around 60 miles per hour and some smaller hailstones associated with any of those stronger cells that do flare up. Again, we're sitting in the lower 80s as of right now, 81 by 6 p.m. and then those temperatures cooling back down into the upper 70s by later on this evening. Tomorrow morning, you're waking up right around 68 degrees. Remember, we do have that chance for some rumbles of thunder within the afternoon tomorrow. That's the case into your Thursday, but Friday afternoon, we start to clear things up, and that's when we start to see that warming trend back into the forecast. Take a look at your weekend. Saturday, Sunday, sunshine and temperatures in the upper 80s.